Have you ever had that damn critical voice in your head start screaming half a second after you said or did something? You are such an idiot, or you messed up again. This is your shadow, and in 30 seconds, I'll show you a brutal method to make him shut up. Forget meditation. This is hand-to-hand combat. You need 2 pieces of paper. On the first one, with your dominant hand, write the most toxic thing your inner critic recently said. That's your shadow. Now, take the second pen. Use your other hand. Even if you're right-handed, use your left. On the second paper, write, what am I really afraid of? Switching hands breaks the automatic thought pattern in your brain. This is neurobiology, not magic. Why does this work? Because you stop fighting it and start listening. You take away its weapon. This is a direct follow-up to the first shadow protocol we did, the simple notepad exercise to spot your shadow's voice. If you missed that, watch it right after this. It sets the stage. Now let's use this new answer to change your relationship with that voice forever. Writing with your other hand isn't magic. It's a physical way to embody your shadow. You plug directly into the part of your psyche that's normally repressed. Your dominant hand is logical and conscious. The other hand is connected to the emotional, unconscious side. When you switch, you bypass the guards of your consciousness and get to the source. I will write with my dominant hand to make it look as neat as possible. Now look at these 2 papers. On the right, you're weak. On the left, what am I really afraid of? This is the key. Your shadow is a terrible communicator. It's screaming a message coded in fear. Your job is to translate it. You're weak equals, I'm afraid I can't handle the challenge and I'll be shamed. Nobody likes you equals, I'm afraid of loneliness and rejection. You'll fail equals, I'm afraid of confirming my low worth. See, it's not about you. It's about your fear. The shadow is warning you in a rude way, but still. Now the final question, write it down. What is one small, specific thing I can do to calm this specific fear? Fear of not handling it? I'll prepare for 15 minutes more. Fear of rejection? I'll ask one more genuine question. Fear of failure? I'll do the tiniest first step now. This isn't about killing the fear, it's about managing it, making your shadow your early warning system, not your executioner. So the 3 steps again. 1, write the toxic thought. 2, use your other hand to ask, what am I afraid of? 3, create 1 micro action. You now have 2 protocols, the first one to spot your shadow, and this one to talk back to it and shut it down. But this isn't the end. In the next video, we're going to take this to the next level. We'll move from defense to offense. I'm going to show you how to not just silence your shadow, but how to actually recruit its hidden energy and use its power to fuel your confidence. It's the most powerful technique in this series, but first, you need to master this step. Take those damn pieces of paper and do it now. Then come back here and write "shadow silenced" in the comments.